Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So here I will tell you one of the example in the text that I present. So let me tell you about how a rainbow forms. Rainbows are one of the most beautiful and fascinating natural phenomena we can observe in the sky. They usually appear after a rainfall, when the sun starts shining again and there is still moisture in the air. But have you ever wondered how exactly a rainbow form? What caused those colorful arcs to appear in the sky? So today I'm going to explain the step-by-step process of how a rainbow is created in a way that's both scientific and easy to understand. A rainbow happens because of the interaction between sunlight and water droplets in the atmosphere. The process mainly involves three physical action. First is refraction, second is reflection, and last is dispersion. Dispersion of light. Yeah. This process occurs inside tiny water droplets suspended in the air. Let's start with the first step. When sunlight travels through the air and encounters a raindrop, it enters the droplet. As it enters the droplet, the light slows down and bends. This bending of light is called refraction. Yeah, refraction happens because light changes speed when it moves from one medium to another. In this case, from air, which is less dense, into water, which is denser. As the light bends, it also starts to split into different wavelengths. Each wavelength corresponds to a different color. Next, the light hits the inner surface of the droplet and reflects off it. This step is called internal reflection. The light doesn't go straight through. Instead, it bounces back inside the droplet. At this point, the light is already partially spread into the different colors that make up the visible spectrum: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. After bouncing off the inner surface, the light exits the droplet. When it leaves the droplet, it bends again. A second refraction. The second refraction further spreads the colors. Each color bends a slightly different angle. For example, red light bends the least, while violet bends the most. This is why the colors in a rainbow always appear in a specific order, with red on the outer edge and violet on the inner edge. So the process is repeated millions of times in billions of tiny water droplets in the atmosphere. However, we only see the light that reaches our eyes at specific angle, usually about 42 degrees from the direction opposite at the sun. That is why a rainbow appears in a circular arc. Though in reality, it is a full circle, but the ground blocks the bottom half. To summarize, a rainbow forms when sunlight passes through raindrops in the air. The light is first refracted, then internally reflected, and finally refracted again as it exits the droplet. This combination of reflection, and dispersion causes the light to spread into its component colors and form a rainbow. In conclusion, the formation of a rainbow is a beautiful result of simple physical principles working in harmony. It's a natural spectacle that reminds us how even everyday elements like sunlight and rain can combine to create something truly magical. So the next time you see rainbow in the sky, you know that behind its beauty lies the science of light and water working together. So that's my explanation. I will close my video. So thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.